Today I'm going to be introducing to you inscribed angles and central angles. An inscribed angle is an angle formed by the point across the circle and 2 points on the circle. In this over here, the two inscribed angles are angles ABC and ADC. Something interesting about these two inscribed angles is that the angles are both the same. The reason for this is because they share the same arc over here, AC. See, look, ABC's arc and ADC's arc. This means since they share arc, that means that their angles will be similar and will be the same as it was every other inscribed angle that shares the arc AC, like this angle over here and this angle over here. Next is central angles. A central angle is an angle formed by the center of the circle. The center of the circle and 2 points on the circle. The central angle in this is angle AOB. An interesting relationship between the inscribed angles and the central angles that share an arc, like this one over here, AB, is that the central angle is twice the amount of the inscribed angle. How do we prove this? Well, first of all, let's split these two angles in half so that now angle CA, so that we look at ACO and OA. Oh, I forgot to mark this. D. Let's call it D. Why not? So what's the relationship between these two angles over here? Well, first of all, angle CACO and CAO are the same. This is because these two lines AO and CO are the same, since they're both radiuses of the circle. But since this angle over here, AOD, is outside the triangle AOC, it makes it so that, I'll write this down, angle AOD is equal to the angle CAO plus the angle ACO. Well, since we just found out that these two angles over here are the same, this makes it so that angle AOD is equal to 2 times the angle ACO. It's the same thing for these angles these two angles over here as well, making it so that this equation over here, didn't mean to do it like that. This equation over here is true. This next problem involves both inscribed angles and central angles. Here we have to find the value of the angle CPB, also known as angle X. First of all, we need to find the value of the angles ACB here and CBP. Well, first of all, angle ACB is an inscribed angle with the arc AB over here. Since angle AOB, also known as angle alpha, shares that R2 and is a central angle, this means that the angle ACB is equal to alpha divided by 2. Similarly, for angle CACBD over here, it has the arc of CB, since angle COBD, also known as beta, shares that R2. That means that angles BCD is equal to beta divided by 2. Now what can we do with this? Well, let's look at this triangle over here. Triangle CPB. Since we already know by the formula, this angle over here plus this angle over here, okay, I probably should use a different color. This angle over here plus this angle here is equal to this angle because of the formula. This means that, let's write this down, angle CPB plus angle CBD is equal to angle ACB. Well, since we already know these two angles, I think, yeah, that means that CPB is equal to alpha divided by 2 minus beta divided by 2. And there you go.